What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Custom Feens. I'm Tay. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to put on your sole protectors to protect the bottom of your shoe. This is my first time using this sole protector. I got it on Amazon. It's textured on the bottom to give you some grip. And then there's a tacky surface on the back of this that you stick to the back of the shoe. But first I'm going to prep it a little bit. I measured out the length of the bottom of my shoe. This is a size 11. I'm going to wipe some alcohol around the edges just to clean that off. I'm going to trace the outline of it and then stick it on. So it should be a short video. I'm just going to do a quick time lapse of it. I'll probably chime in here and there throughout the video. But yeah, it should be a short one. It's going to be a good one. And this should solve some of the problems of protecting the bottom of the shoe. When you put your amazing artwork, you know, hey, because when you paint the bottom of the shoe, some of the artwork that people put in the bottom of shoes is amazing. So this should give it a little bit of protection for a little while, and then probably just have to replace it later on. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so I'm just using a microfiber cloth to clean off the edges of the shoe. I don't want to use cotton balls because cotton balls, they leave that cotton behind. The rubber grabs that cotton. I don't want any of that leftover cotton. I'm just giving this a quick wipe around the edges. So what I'm going to do first is lay this out flat. I'm making sure that I got some room for the red at the top and at the back. I'm making sure both of these are lined up with the red. And then you just want to grab a pencil or a pen, and then I'm just going to trace around. And then I peel this off. So I'll put the tip over that. I line it up with the tip and then line this part up. And I'm raising it so it's no air bubbles under it. That's why I keep raising it like this, to lay it down flat. Then I'm just gonna go around with my hand. Make sure it's sticking down. Turn it over, I'm gonna press it. Right now I'm pressing down to get it to touch as much surface as possible. I'm gonna go around the red. Now you don't have to do this. I want mine to be exact. Hence why I'm using the X-Acto knife. Thanks for sticking around, you guys. If you really like this video, go ahead and give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and please leave me some feedback in the comments. Y'all go ahead and enjoy the rest of this instrumental. And you see how it molded, so now it can stick. Alright, that's a wrap. I appreciate you guys coming back to the channel to check me out. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And leave a comment if this video was helpful for you. Also, hit that bell for notifications when I post more informative videos like this one. Y'all don't forget to smile, be happy, make other people smile, and y'all have a good day. Love y'all. Peace.